The surface runoff is diverted through a water channel to a silt trap. Majority of the silt, leaves, dust and debris settles in the silt trap. And the clean water is led into the injection well, passing through multi-layers of filtration media placed at the top of the injection well. The runoff water is accommodated in a specially designed storage well, which creates a well-defined water column. Injecting large quantities of water into the deeper layers of the semi-impervious soil strata through the non-clogging V-wire screens attached to the specifically designed percolator pipe, placed to a depth of 30 meters below the ground. The water column and the dual V-wire screen facilitate the filtered rainwater to reach weathered and permeable zone. Thereafter, it becomes easy for the water to percolate into the deeper layer of the earth strata by capillary action through dry joints